Hello, people. I. Jeez, what am I doing? Kat was like, "Hey, do you wanna like make a nail tutorial?" And I was like, "Well, sure. My nails are super long right now." This is basically just Kat's fault, because they were like, "Yes, paint your nails if you're gonna chop them all off," which I did. Paint your nails and film it, and I was like, okay. And then they chose some nail polishes for me to put on, and it was all nice and good. And yeah, this is the process. I'm putting on some hollow. I'm just dabbing it in. Oh, I put on a base coat too. It's not a peel base coat, but in combination with the top coat I use, you can like kind of peel them off after you're done. Yeah, I accidentally also did the middle finger when Kat wanted me to make to do that one in an entirely different color. So there I am applying that base coat again, and yeah, just kind of trying to get the hollow bitches like from my fingers, because I didn't put tape or liquid latex because I don't have that stuff. And yeah, just like a fancy French tip in blue, because that's what they chose. I don't fucking know. And on the middle finger I put Essie's Starry Night, because I think it's pretty. And yeah, then just like a nice top coat, a taco, and we're sealing in the tip because we have been taught well by Christine. And that's the manicure. And here's like the beauty, the money shot. Um, I you can't really see the hollow, but like y'all know it's hollow. Like I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna film another shot, but then I didn't. So like yeah, there it is. I wore this for like a week, and then I just peeled it off and then chopped off my nails. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed this. There's some stuff on the screen right now. Goodbye.